More overseas Filipino workers received assistance from the Philippine government as part of the reintegration program. The beneficiaries were from Mindanao that are the recent victims of human trafficking. JC Pancho tells us more.
Amidst another case of fraud against our compatriots abroad, the Department of Migrant Workers or DMW has provided immediate assistance to overseas Filipino workers from northern Mindanao. The aid amount of 43 OFWs who fell victim to a scam in South Korea has reached more than 2 million pesos. DMW Undersecretary Bernard Olalia himself announced this is assistance during a press briefing in Cagayan de Oro, where most of the recipients were from Misamis Oriental. The OFWs allegedly fell victim to a recruitment scam upon their arrival in South Korea, causing them to lose their jobs and be stranded. In addition, four OFWs received relief boxes containing food, hygiene kits, and other essentials items worth 120,000 pesos. The immediate relief assistance for OFWs in need or actions fund is intended for Filipino migrants who are experiencing severe work, health, or security problems abroad, as well as their families left behind in the Philippines. Aside from relief assistance, Oliaria has also warned the public against online requirement schemes that offer work and study abroad. A reminder to our countrymen to be careful about jobs offered abroad. Make sure recruitment agencies are registered and licensed with DMW to avoid falling victim to fraud. For those who need help, you can contact DMW or the nearest migrant workers office. JC Pancho for EuroTV News.
Hi, I'm Alvin Pelabello. Catch the late night news on EuroTV Newsthread only here at EuroTV Philippines. You may also watch our delayed telecast at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel. Also, don't forget to visit our website eurotvph.com for more news and information.